Welcome to this introduction on selling your music online. Now, I have a special offer for you at the end, so make sure you listen to this all the way to the end. Now, in that offer, the exact strategies taught have helped thousands of singers, musicians, and bands. Here's the truth. Most singers and musicians don't get the type of results that they want because they don't know simple but critical details about marketing their music online, and this is what we want to show you. That's why during this little short presentation, I promised to offer you a solution to solve 3 challenges. Now, the 3 challenges are: challenge 1, how to get more exposure; challenge 2, how to build a fan base; and challenge 3, how to sell your music. Maybe you are facing these 3 challenges yourself. We will offer you a solution. I know it can be painful to watch other people succeed and know deep down that you can do what they do. I have possible solutions for you by the end of this presentation, so keep listening. First, to thank you for watching this until the end, I'm going to also give you access to 25 tips to selling your music online, so wait till the end. The offer I want to make comes from someone who has had record deals with Interscope, Universal, and Warner Bros. Brothers Records, and believe it or not, he once signed what was said to have been one of the largest new artist record deals of all time. However, his albums didn't sell enough copies to satisfy the label, and he was brutally dropped. Ouch. But during this period, he started exploring the world of online marketing. And his first online business generated nearly $2 million in sales within just a few years. Obviously, it didn't happen overnight, but after a few years of hard work and thousands of dollars in training, he finally cracked the code, so to speak, and began putting in some serious money using nothing but the internet. Then he shifted his focus back to music and began crafting a strategy for selling albums. Now, this was both for himself and for other artists, using many of the same techniques that he employed in his online businesses. Long story short, it worked, and it worked well. In fact, over the last few years, he has helped numerous artists climb to the top of various billboards, iTunes, Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and CD Baby charts. He actually helped one artist set CD Baby's all-time single-day sales record and helped another get nominated for a Grammy. So if you really want to sell music, keep listening. Basically, he used the internet to help sell thousands of albums online. The great news is he has created a free training video that explains the exact strategy he uses to build a fan base and sell music using just the internet. You can have access to this video, and I have a special offer for you. To watch it, simply click the link in the description, then enter your name and email address. I will send you 25 tips on how to sell your music online. Now, this is important. Once you do that and submit the application, another page will open. Watch the first video there, then sign up to his personal email list and watch a detailed explanation video where he shares his secrets. Very important that you do that if you want access to this information. Lastly, if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions about selling music online, you can leave them below and I'll try and read them and reply and make sure you get everything you need. Let me just say, there are a few people willing to do what it takes. Obviously, you are one of them. Thanks so much for listening to this to the end. Click the link in the description to access a free training video. And I look forward to hearing of your success story and seeing you again soon. Take care and thank you.